Do you ever wonder why your paycheck disappears every month? You get paid on Friday, and by Monday, it's almost gone. If that's you, don't worry. You're not alone. Today, I'll show you how to take back control with a simple system that actually works. By the end, you'll know exactly how to budget your money, stop overspending, and start building wealth. Around 64% of Americans say they're living paycheck to paycheck, and the average American has only $1,000 in their bank account. You're not alone. In fact, 26% of you watching this video right now are living paycheck to paycheck. We've all been there. So this video is going to change that. Because it's not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep and what you do with it. Do you feel like you have no control over your finances? Are you tired of living from paycheck to paycheck? Trust me, you are not alone. In fact, 64% of Americans say they live paycheck to paycheck. That's 2 out of every 3 people. If you're part of that group, don't worry, you're not alone. But what if I told you that you could gain control of your finances and start saving money even if you were making less than $30,000 a year? And no, I'm not talking about penny pinching or sacrificing your entire life for money. I'm talking about a simple, effective method that anyone can follow to achieve financial stability. Let's get started. It's time to understand how money works so you can stop worrying about it. Let's face it, money is confusing. Even simple things like saving or investing can seem overwhelming. It doesn't have to be that way. Once you understand the basics, you can take control of your financial future. No. 1. Differentiate between needs and wants. You know those ads that pop up when you're trying to watch a video? Yeah, they do that because they know we love our wants more than our needs. Wants are the things that make our lives more comfortable, like a new TV or designer clothes. While needs are what we must have to survive, like food and shelter. Sometimes the line between wants and needs can be blurred. Like owning a car is a want, but not having one might limit your ability to get to work on time, which impacts your need for a job. The key is to evaluate each purchase and ask yourself, do I really need this? Or do I just want it? By understanding the difference, you can make smart choices about where to spend your money. Number 2, prioritize your spending. Imagine walking into a grocery store without a list. You might grab items you don't need and forget what you came for. The same goes for spending. When you don't prioritize, you risk wasting money on unnecessary purchases. Start by identifying your essential needs like housing, food, and transportation. Then allocate funds to your non-essential wants. By prioritizing, you ensure that your basic needs are met, while still allowing room for some enjoyment. And hey, it's okay to treat yourself occasionally, but make sure it fits within your overall budget plan. Number 3, set financial goals. Think of financial goals like a roadmap for your money. It helps you stay focused and motivated. Short-term goals could be saving for a vacation or paying off a credit card. Long-term goals might include buying a house or retiring comfortably. Whatever your goals are, write them down and break them into smaller steps with deadlines. This way, you have a clear plan to follow and can track your progress. Plus, achieving small milestones keeps you motivated and on track to reach your bigger dreams. Now, let's talk numbers. You may have heard of the 50-30-20 rule. This rule suggests that 50% of your after-tax income should go towards needs, 30% towards wants, and 20% towards savings and debt repayment. It's a great starting point, but it's not one size fits all. Some people might need to allocate more towards savings or debt repayment, especially if they have high interest debt. Others might have lower housing costs and can dedicate more towards wants. The idea is to find a balance that works for you and your priorities. You can use the percentages as a guide, but adjust them to fit your own circumstances. Now, let's explore some ways to cut back on expenses. Look, we all want to enjoy our hard-earned cash, but sometimes we can find better ways to do things without breaking the bank. For instance, instead of buying expensive bottled water, you can invest in a reusable water bottle. It's better for the environment and your wallet. Another way to save is to cook at home. Eating out can be pricey and often leads to overspending. So try cooking your own meals. Not only will it be cheaper, but you can also control the ingredients and avoid those extra calories. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Avoid impulse purchases. Before you buy something on a whim, wait a day or two. If you still want it, then consider buying it. This helps you avoid unnecessary purchases and saves you money. Number 5. Explore free entertainment options. Life doesn't have to revolve around paid activities. Look for free fun in your community. Many cities offer free concerts, movie nights, or museum days. You can also enjoy a picnic in the park or a hike in the woods. Plus, you can borrow books and movies from the library instead of buying them. There's a whole world of entertainment that doesn't cost a fortune. So be creative and enjoy the simple pleasures. Now let's discuss additional income sources. Think beyond your day job. Could you pick up a side hustle to boost your earnings? Maybe you can freelance in your area of expertise or monetize your hobbies. You could sell crafts online, offer pet sitting services, or become a part-time instructor in something you're good at. And if you're tech savvy, consider virtual options like online tutoring or social media management. And don't forget the gig economy! Drive Uber on weekends, deliver food, or do local deliveries. With a bit of creativity and effort, you can find ways to increase your income and support your financial goals. And finally, number 7. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Let's face it, as our income grows, our desires often grow right along with it. But that's not always a good thing. Lifestyle inflation can creep up before you know it. You might start taking longer vacations, buying more expensive clothes, or eating out more frequently. While it's nice to indulge occasionally, it's important to keep your spending in check as your income increases. Resist the urge to upgrade your lifestyle significantly. Instead, use any extra income to boost your savings or invest in your future. That way, you can enjoy the benefits of earning more without sacrificing your financial stability. There you have it. 7 tips to take control of your finances. Remember, it's not about drastic measures, but consistent small steps. Start with understanding your needs and wants, set financial goals, and explore ways to save and earn more. Don't let money worries hold you back. Take action today and build a brighter financial future for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching. Until next time.